Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. Yan. And I'm here again since there's a new Happy Meal toys for the month of January to February 2024. 10 toys to collect this time. By the way, let me stand corrected. It's more of an activity toys and it's no other than the Sonic the Hedgehog. Yan. 10 activity toys to collect this time. Yan. There are a total of 3 hoverboards puzzle, 2 mosaic poster, 3 tower challenge, and 2 puzzle racers. Yan. So we could play this along with our friends and loved ones, mom and dad, brothers and sisters, yan, and then the like. And by the way, forgot to show you the 11th release of the Little People Big Dreams book, I Can Champion Change. By the way, this is released together with the McDonald's playset released last month. Yan. So yan, so excited since medyo marami to and makakapaglaro na naman tayo. So dyan lang kayo, highlighters. Let's go! Okay, so let's start with the first 2 toys. Here's Sonic and Knuckles mosaic poster. Yan. Yan. So, by the way, per variant ng activity ang papakita ko sa inyo this time since medyo magkakatulad naman sila. Yan. Naiba lang kasi yung characters. Yan. So, first 2 is the mosaic poster. So, what's inside? Yan. So, let's open the box. Yan. It comes with this hard cardboard yan. Then, yun. By the way, as you can see, there's a number. Yan. And it comes with these stickers. Yan. Yan. Total of 3. Here's Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails. Yan. So, how would you play this activity? Yan. So, let's start with Sonic na lang. We will stick the stickers here. So, instead of coloring the cardboard, we will stick the stickers here. So, that's how you play with this game or activity toy. Yan. Okay, so let's start. Yan. So, carefully get the stickers. Yan. So, the first one. Then, let's stick. Okay. Okay, so we're done with Sonic. Yan. Medyo time-consuming lang siya. So, for Tails and Knuckles, kayo na bahala. Yan. Pero later on, I'll stick it. Yan. If ever na may free time ako. Pero, this is how will you play this activity toy. Yan, diba? So, parang from this, medyo malabo siya. And may guide, diba? So, fun. Diba? So, ito na siya ngayon. Mas nabuhay, diba? So, nice. Right? And let's just open this one. Yan. So, to show you what's the difference, diba? Yan. So, it comes with 3 stickers, then Knuckles. Yan. So, I'm not familiar with this name. With this name, ano nga ba? Kindly comment down below. Sino nga ba siya? And here's Sonic also. Yan. I think mas mahirap siya kasi mas maliliit yung stickers. Anyway, and here's the sample of the actual cardboard. Yan. Yan. Diba? Cool. So nice, right? And what's great about this one is that hindi lang siya ordinary paper. Yan. So cardboard siya. And yan. So comparison side by side. Okay. So here's Sonic mosaic poster and Knuckles mosaic poster. Yan. So, yan. Hindi ko na-continue. Kayo na. So, that's it. Here's the first set of the activity toys. Next would be the hoverboards. Yan. Here's Sonic hoverboard. Yan. Then, Ami hoverboard.
last but not the least would be Tails hoverboard. Yan. Let's start with Tails yan. So, here's the actual toy. Yan. And by the way, the QR code, meron siyang game. Later on, we'll show you. So, yan. Antay lang kayo. Yan. So, it comes with these instructions on how would you build the hoverboard. Yan. So, let's start building. Yan. So, medyo, again, time-consuming pero fun to play with siya. Right? Yan. Okay. So, first, number 1. Okay. And yan, finally, build the Tails hoverboard. Yan. So, here's the closer look. Yan. So, nostalgic actually. Yung mga ganitong toys kasi is from the 90s actually. Yan. So, naabutan ko siya. Actually, paper toys rin nun. Yan. And what's great about this one is that mas makapal yung cardboard. Yan. So, first, here's Tails. Yan. So, let's put this aside muna. Then, let's start with Ami. We're done with Ami hoverboard yan. So, mas mabilis ko siya na-assemble since it's the same instructions, same shapes, and yun, yung mga connectors, same lang siya with Tails. Yan, actually same na same yan. Comparison between the two. Pero kay Ami muna tayo. Here's the closer look. Yan. So nice, right? Yay! So we're done with the second hoverboard. Yan. So let's begin naman with Sonic. Yay! So I think mas mabilis ko na siya mas ma-assemble, right? Since again, same parts lang siya. Same puzzle parts, I mean. Hey! There are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 puzzle parts for the hoverboard. And again, there are a total of 3 characters. Here's Sonic. Once again, the closer look. Yan. Same shape lang sila no others. Yan. Here's Ami. And here's Tails. Diba? So nice. Na-unleash yung creativity natin or patience natin, by the way, sa pag-build ng mga puzzles. Okay. So that's the 3 hoverboards to collect for this set. Okay. Let's move on. The third variety of activity toys would be the puzzle racer. Yan. Here's Sonic and Ami. And here's Sonic and Tails. Let's first start with Sonic and Tails. Yan. So, how would you play this game? Yan. So, ikalat lang natin. Yan. So, here's the instructions. Yan. So, there's a mini poster and a stand. Okay. So, let's stick it here. Okay. Yan. So, in able to play this game, you need to randomize or rumble the puzzles. Yan. And there are total of 2 players. Yan. So, 1 to build Sonic and 1 to build Tails. Yan. So, in opposite part. Yan. So, ganyan po siya. So, for example, yan. And by the way, yan. So, the first one to build the puzzle will win the game. Yan. So, yun. So, same lang po siya. Kung ano kalagay dito and dito, same lang ang mabubuo. So, let's try. Yan. So, syempre si Sonic. Okay. Okay. So, let's start. And we're done. Yan. Yan. So, this is how will you play this puzzle game. Yan. So, basically, mabilis lang kasi siya since there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces ng puzzle and color-coded po siya, diba? So, here's Sonic and yan, for Tails, ito po siya. So, yan, kayo na mag-build yan para naman if ever mas ma-enjoy natin yan. So, I'm just showing you how would you play this game. Okay, so invite your friends to play with this one. Okay, by the way, I'll show you muna rin yung other one. Yan, for Sonic and Amy. Yan. And yun. Siguro, let's build ano dito. Amy here, okay? Yan. Okay. So, again, same instructions. Yan. Sonic and Amy. Okay. So, first, here. Ayan. Diba? So, si Amy naman this time. Yan, again. Last 3, last 1, and here you go. Yan. Diba? So nice. Diba? Yan. So, once again, here's the puzzle racer. Yay! Pero wait, sige na nga. Hindi ko kayo matiis. So, I will build na lang the other puzzles. So, medyo pa-fast forward ko lang para to show you the actual puzzle na once built. Okay? So, yan. Bilisan lang natin. Okay. So, we're done with the second variant of Sonic. Here's the first variant and second variant. Yan. So, this puzzle comes with, together with, Tails. Yan. And this one comes with Amy. Okay. And for the other one, si Tails naman. And we're done with Tails. Yay! Yan. So, here's Tails. And again, Amy. Diba? Wala lang sinakal, sayang. So, nice. Ang laki niya. Oh, diba? Yan. So, once again, here's the puzzle racer. Yan. Total of 4 puzzles. Yay! Wait, before we proceed with the last set of the Sonic toys, I'll show you the Icon Champion Change or the 11th release of the Little People Big Dreams book. Yan. So, actually, medyo lost track na nga ako dito. Since si McDonald's, medyo nakakalimutan na naman yung other series. Like the first book series nila. Anyway, yan. With fun digital activities, diba? So, it's the story of Emmeline Pankhurst and Wilma Mankiller. Yan. Diba? So, colorful. Yan. So, medyo i-scan na lang natin. Yan. So, there's an activity sheets. Yan. And a colorful pages. Yan. And for sure, it's fun to read. Wherein, marami tayong mapupulot na story behind these peoples. Paano sila yan, naging champion. Like, for this one, diba? Like, by just scanning yan, parang medyo mahirap sila this time. Then, medyo, yun. Diba? Yan. Then, here you go. Yan. So, next would be, yan, Emmeline Pankhurst. Yan. Diba? Yung mga life nila. During childhood, hanggang lumaki sila. Kung paano sila naging successful sa life. Yan. Okay, diba? So here we go. Here's the 11 series Icon Champion Change. And the last 3. Yan. The Sonic Tower Challenge. By the way, it comes with 3 characters: Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles. So let's start with Knuckles. Yan. Yan. It comes with these instructions again. And how would you play this game? Yan. Total of, you could play this with other players. Yan. So, wala naman nakalagay kung ilan. Basta, how many pieces can you stack in 30 seconds? Yan. So, meron po tayong timer. 30 seconds. Yan. So, we will build, and if ever, to build the most stack will win the game. Yan. So, ganyan po siya. So, let's try.
Okay, so yan, medyo humarap lang ako para mas fun. Makita niyo yung face ko habang race. Yan, since yan, medyo pabilisan po tayo this time. Yan. So, first muna is build the base. Yan, and get a timer. So, for 30 seconds. Okay, let's start. Yan, so, sa 3 activity games, so, tignan natin kung sino yung pinaka marami. Yan. Na malalagay tayo or ma-stack. So, let's begin. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start. Yan. Oops, yan. So, sa slit nyo siya ilalagay. Diba? So, medyo dapat bilisan nyo. Yan. Yan. So, basta may slit to slit lang, din saan nyo siya ilalagay, and dapat stable. And once the timer stop, or, oops, yan. So, ito lang natapos natin for knuckles. Yan. So, later on, bibilangin natin. Okay, let's set this aside muna. And next would be tails. Yan. So, let's just, build muna the base before we set the timer. Yan. Okay. So, may base na. And let's start. In 1, 2, 3. Oops. Wait. Oh, yun. Let's go. Oopsie. Diba? So fun if ever you're playing this one together with your friends. Oops. Diba? Medyo nakakatarantang siya. Yan. And yan, 'di ba kayo lang kasama ko pero it's so fun. 'Di ba? And yun, hard cardboard naman siya. So hindi agad masisira. Wag lang siyang mababasa. Oops. Oh my god. So here you go. Here's tails. Yan. Who do you think will win? So for the last one, here's Sonic. Yan. Medyo pressure siya. So again, let's just build the base. Yan. So same lang ulit siya. I'm not sure kung ilang parts lahat or puzzle pieces, but later on, yun. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung sino mananalo. So, who do you think will win? Yan. Hopefully hindi nyo nabasa kanina bago ko kayo tanongin ngayon. Anyway, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Go! Diba? Okay. Oops. Oops. Dali. Yan, bago tumundag yung timer. Oops, ayaw pa magpakuwain dyan. Oh my god, the ring. Oops. Yan. So, we're done. Yan. So, yan. I've enjoyed with this tower game the most. Yan. So, hindi naman sa magiging bias, alam niyo na kung ano yung pinaka-favorite ko among these toys. Yan. So, let's count for this one. Yan. So, paano siya? Yan. So, here's a closer look muna. Diba? So, nice. Ganyan siya. Basta ilalagay nyo lang siya sa mga slit. Okay? So, walang mandadaya. Yan. So, parang hindi tayo mahirapan, lang natin. Okay. For Sonic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yan. Kay Sonic, 9. For Tails, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan. So, Sonic versus Tails, Sonic win. Yan. So, last versus Knuckles. 9 to. Ito kaya ilan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. So, meaning, Sonic won the game. Yan. So, that's how would you play the tower game. Yay! And so, let's proceed now with the virtual game. Yan. So, we will show you now on how would you play the virtual game. So, let's go. I'll just get my phone. Okay? Okay, so let's scan. Yan. So, on scan. Okay. So, yan. Mag-direct sa happymilldigital.com website. Then, let's play. Play game. Then, yan. Diba? So nostalgic. Boom. Nice. Yan. So, let's play. Then, choose your character. Yan. So, we'll choose, of course, Sonic. Yan. Then, instructions. Yan. So, use finger to swipe the character to move. You will hear a chime sound with each ring collected. Yan. Okay. So, by the way, there are total of 5 levels in each game. And ang nag-iiba lang yung characters niya, by the way. Okay. So, this is how would you play. Yan, swipe. So, makita nyo here kung ilan lang yung pwedeng swipe. Then, ito yung nakakollect nyo na. So, dapat wise yung move nyo. Yan. So, we're done with the first. Yan. Then, for the level 2, yan. Oops! Last 2, oh my god, so we lose. Yeah. Diba? So, you could try again. Anyway, let's try for the second time around. Yan. In 1, 2, 3. Yay! Yan, level 2. Yan. So, let's go back na. Ay, hindi. Wait, sorry. Continue ulit. We'll try level 3 this time. Yay! Level 4. Oops. Oops. We lose. Yan. Anyway, yan. So, hindi ko natatapusin. Let's go back to the Happy Meal home. Yan. So, this is how you play the game. Yan. By the way, again, so there, you can choose, fast forward, let's play. You can choose from the 4 characters. And same lang po siya actually. Yan. Naiba lang talaga yung characters. Yan. So, nice, diba? So, that's it, highlighters. We're done showing you all the complete set of the Sonic the Hedgehog Happy Meal toys for the month of January to February 2024. Yan. Yan. So, there's the 11th book series. Yan. Here's the Tower Challenge. Yung tatlo. Total of 2 puzzle racer. Then, total of 2 mosaic poster. Yan. Malaki naman siya, right? Then, the 3 hoverboards. So nice, diba? So, fun to play with. And medyo malaki po siya. And if I'm going to ask you, which one is your favorite among all of them? Yan. So, medyo by side. This time, again, mas nag-enjoy tayo for the Tower Challenge. Yan. Diba? So, medyo na-pressure po tayo mag-build. Yan. So, comment down below which one's your favorite among all of them. Yan. Okay. So, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!